Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a review of the TN229 toner cartridge replacement, specifically the 4-pack compatible with brother printers like the MFC L3780CDW, MFC L3720CDW, HL L3280CDW, HL L3220CDW, and HL L3295CDW. When it comes to printer consumables, finding a balance between quality and cost is crucial. This TN229 replacement set aims to offer just that. The pack includes black, cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges, catering to all your color printing needs. Installation was a breeze. The cartridges fit perfectly into the Brother MFC L3780CDW printer without any issues. The printer recognized them immediately, and there were no error messages or compatibility problems. This is always a good sign, as some generic cartridges can be finicky. Print quality is where these cartridges truly shine. The black toner produces sharp, crisp text, ideal for documents and reports. The color cartridges deliver vibrant and accurate hues, making photos and graphics pop. We printed a variety of documents, from simple text-based pages to full-color images, and the results were consistently impressive. There was no noticeable difference in quality compared to the original Brother cartridges. One of the biggest advantages of these replacement cartridges is the cost savings. Original Brother toner cartridges can be quite expensive, especially if you print frequently. This compatible set offers a significant reduction in price without compromising on quality. This makes it an attractive option for home users and small businesses looking to reduce their printing expenses. The page yield seems to be on par with the original cartridges. While we haven't printed thousands of pages yet, the toner levels are holding up well after several hundred prints. The manufacturer claims a similar page yield to the Brother TN229 XL cartridges, which seems accurate based on our initial testing. However, it's important to note that the actual page yield can vary depending on the type of documents you print. Graphics-heavy documents will naturally consume more toner than simple text-based pages. Overall, the TN229 toner cartridge replacement is a solid choice for Brother printer owners. It offers excellent print quality, easy installation, and significant cost savings compared to original cartridges. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable alternative, this set is definitely worth considering. It's a great way to keep your printing costs down without sacrificing quality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.